Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever collaborated on a Google Sheet and suddenly noticed data you didn't expect, you might wonder, who made this change and when did it happen? Well, today I'm going to show you how to view the edit history for any cell in Google Sheets. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to see exactly who made changes, what they changed, and when it all happened. This is super helpful whether you're working with teammates on a budget, tracking project milestones, or just keeping tabs on your own data. So let's jump right in. Imagine you're looking at your Google Sheet, maybe it's a class attendance log, a financial report, or a shared to-do list. Sometimes you might notice that a number looks off or a name has been changed. To find out exactly what's happened and who might have made these edits, it's really easy. First, make sure you have your Google Sheet open in your browser. Now you want to zoom in on the specific cell you're curious about. Maybe you spotted a budget amount that looks too high, or perhaps you're just checking to see who last marked an item as complete. All you have to do is click once on the cell you want to investigate. This highlights the cell so Sheets knows which data point you're interested in. If you're not sure which cell to check, remember, only one cell's history can be viewed at a time, so just take it step by step. Next, once your cell is selected, go ahead and right-click on it. On a Mac, you might need to use Control and click, but on most computers, a simple right-click will do the trick. When you do this, a menu pops up with several handy options. It's like a toolbox for managing your data. In that menu, look for the option that says Show Edit History. Click on it. If you don't see the option, make sure you're clicking an actual cell with data. Sometimes, if you right-click on a blank cell, Sheets won't show you edit history since there's nothing there to look back on. Once you click Show Edit History, you'll notice a small panel opens up, usually right next to the cell. Here, where the magic happens, you can see the list of all recent changes made to that cell along with the names, or at least the emails of the users who made the edits, plus time and date stamps. It's almost like rewinding the tape to see exactly how that piece of data has evolved. You can even click through older changes if there's a longer history. This tool is especially useful in group projects or any scenario where tracking accountability matters. Think of it as your Sheet's security camera. Maybe Lisa updated the status or John accidentally overwrote a value. Now you can see exactly what was entered, who did it, and when, without having to comb through the entire version history of the sheet. And don't worry if the list is long or if you're not familiar with all the contributors. This process is meant to be clear and transparent. If you spot something confusing, you can always reach out to that teammate for clarity. Plus, this approach is much faster than trying to undo multiple changes, and it helps resolve any confusion quickly. So that's all there is to it. The next time you're curious about changes in your Google Sheet, just right-click on the cell, hit Show Edit History, and you'll have all the info you need at your fingertips. If this tutorial helped you, please hit that like button. It really supports the channel. If you have any questions about edit history or other Google Sheets features, drop a comment below and I'll get back to you. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy spreadsheeting.